Hello, you're watching Proactive. Here's some of the small cap news we've been following over the past week. London Bitcoin Company has raised £1 million through a combination of retail and direct fundraising as it rolls out its treasury strategy. CEO Hughie Rattray says the rebrand from Binance to the London Bitcoin Company is expected to resonate with US investors as it prepares for a Nasdaq listing.
Our primary mission is to accumulate as much Bitcoin as possible through fundraisers and various other structured products. We want to become a stock that outperforms the underlying asset, and we want to do that via sensible leverage and continuing to raise funds and continuing to build the balance sheet.
Hercules has bought Advantage NRG as the UK prepares for a wave of infrastructure investment exceeding £725 billion over the next decade. CEO Brisk Korkmaz says the company is entering the power and energy sector in a meaningful way through the transaction.
The second half of the year is looking great too. We are trading in line with our with the market expectations. Also, we got two acquisitions over the line, as I mentioned, QTT and Advantage Energy. These two companies will help us with our Hercules Training Academy, as well as supplying of overhead linesmen for the transmission lines and for the key power upgrade projects.
Seeing Machines says its partnership with Mitsubishi is growing fast in Europe and North America. CEO Paul McGlone expects a meaningful level of conversion from the highest pipeline volumes yet in the business.
So it is the highest pipeline volume that we've ever seen since we've been in the business, and we're quite confident that we'll get a meaningful level of conversion from that pipeline.
Cordiant Digital has stressed the value of good governance in an interview with Proactive. Chair Shona Jemmett-Page called it a framework of checks and balances that keep the business running smoothly.
It is a balance between, checking and constructive criticism, as well as encouragement and support. And that balance, varies through time.
Follow us and subscribe on YouTube, our social channels, and on proactiveinvestors.co.uk.